I plan to use that piece of gash wood to make a template with the holes that I have to make. By sheer coincidence, the piece of wood that I'm using as my template is 6 inches wide, and the distance between the holes on the back of the frame is 6 inches. Distance between the holes on the frame is 6 inches. I've marked a line at right angles across here. I've positioned the canopy so it is exactly to my line across there and the top and bottom. Now I've got to mark exactly in the centre of that hole there. And that hole there. I've squared a line across. So I've got a scriber and a piece of chalk, and I'm running up the ladder. That'll be about to there, Joan.
Right.
This is just to support it while I get the bottom.
Right.
So that's level. I'll give you that back. It's too heavy for me, so Joan is carrying it out. But I'm going to put an 8.5 through first, just for a pilot hole. I used my template to mark the centre of the 4 holes I require. So they are the 4 holes. I then encountered a problem with the bolts supplied. They were not quite suitable for my application. The problem was that the bolt went into the frog of the brick. So I went to my local hardware shop and I bought a pack of 8mm coach screws and some 12mm appropriately sized wall plugs. I've just tapped a plastic plug in the hole, and I'm just putting one of the coach bolts in to test, screwing it up with a spanner. Really secure, nice and tight and secure. So I'm going to use these coach bolts that I've purchased instead of these bolts. Just securely tapping the top of the plastic plug in. Just finishing off the final hole. I'm running a bit of silicone in the joints along the edges. Just an added refinement. I've fastened the 4 bolts in, 2 at that end, 2 at this end, and the canopy is really rigid now.